Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another video. In today's video, my husband is installing a new window and I am deep cleaning my living room and kitchen, hanging some shelves and decorating with some of the thrift store decor I got and showed you all in my last video. I will also be showing you before footage of the living room and kitchen when we first bought this mobile home, so make sure you watch until the end. We purchased this window used from our local Habitat resale store. It was only $45 and it was a little bit smaller than the current window. We have replaced 2 windows since recording this video and we purchased them brand new because it is a lot easier to buy the right size window. But if you are on a budget and can do the work, as you can see, my husband just framed in the window to make it fit, so you save a lot more money that way. Later on, he will fix the wall to make the window look normal and so the wood doesn't show, and replace the trim. As always, there are dishes. This couch was grossing me out. I wouldn't even sit on it until I washed it. Finger paints all over the TV stand. I never like to decorate when the house is messy, so I needed to tidy up and get it in order. I started by pulling the couch cushions off and throwing them in the wash. I purchased this couch brand new 4 years ago, and it was under $600 after delivery and tax, and it was a lot nicer and softer when I bought it, but she cleans up nice. And she has been washed about 100 times with my shampooer and has held up to a lot of abuse from my kids and animals. Usually I shampoo it once a month, but my shampooer had a weird smell and I knew it needed to get a deep clean, so I just used my vinegar mix and sprayed it down and wiped it with a hot cloth. I painted this whole house, the ceiling and all, and here I am just using my vinegar mix to help lift off the leftover paint splatters from painting.
Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back.
I am still getting questions about if our mobile home is in a park or not. It is currently in a park, but we own it. We pay space rent for the land it sits on. We love our little home. We're on a cul-de-sac that backs up to 2 acres. We have little old ladies for neighbors on one side, and on the other is a family that is remodeling their home. There is a lot of stigmas around mobile homes, but we purchased ours for cheap and have plans to move it to land someday to live debt-free. We have a boy who has special needs and most likely will need care for the rest of his life. A lot of you said you are inspired by my channel to purchase a mobile home, and I say go for it. I am saving so much money every month. My family is happy, and that's all that matters. Everyone is on their own journey, and that's why I love this community that is growing here. It is so positive and uplifting. Thank you all so much, and thank you to everyone who continues to come back and watch. Here are some of the items I got using my credit from the consignment shop. I needed a place for my mugs. I told you guys in my last video I was going to screw some hooks to this shelf and hang my mugs. Some of you have asked about the vitamins I take. This isn't all of them, but I love to take these because I feel energy after about 10 minutes. I have a bench coming for under the window that also is storage, so I will be able to eliminate the leftover bins lingering. I also have a bunch of baskets coming for the organization bins to hide the board games and the extra food in the kitchen. I'll be purchasing our rugs once our puppy is completely potty trained, and I'll be hanging the curtains once my husband replaces all the windows. That's where we're at so far, you guys. We still have so much to do, but the weather is picking up and we love it and we are getting so much done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and feel inspired. Please like this video if you would like more content like this. As always, please leave me a comment saying hi. I love talking to you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video.